Hello everyone and welcome to the pronunciation series. Today we pronounce all the global geoparks and national nature reserves of Northern Ireland. Let's commence. Global geoparks: Cuilcagh, 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 Cuilcagh Lakelands, Mourne, Gullion, Strangford. National nature reserves: Altuh-keerux, Altikeeragh, Altikeeragh, Altikeeragh. Annagariff, 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 Annagariff. Ballymaclary, Ballynahone, Ballyquintin. Banagher Glen, Belshaw's Quarry. Binevenagh, bin-evanA, Binevenagh, Binevenagh. Bohill, Boorin, brack-uh, 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 brack-uh. Breen Oakwood. Brookend, Castle Archdale Islands. Claughy, 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 Altuh-keerux, Correl Glen, the Dorn, Giant's Causeway. Glenariff, gran-uh, 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 gran-uh Bay, Hanging Rock and Rathlin Forest. Hollymount Forest, Rathlin Kebble, Killykeeghan, Killykeeghan and Crossmurrin. Lough Beg. Lough Naman Bog, Lough Naman, Lough Naman Islands. Magilligan, Magilligan Point, Marl Bank. Binevenagh. Murle Lough. The Mournes, North Strangford Lough, Oxford Island. Port Rush, Cuilcagh, Pondage. Randallstown Forest, Ria's Wood, Rayleigh and Gold Woods, Row Estuary. Ross Lough, Ross-Trevor Oakwood, Slivianora. Straight Killy, Terman and Fen. Thank you so much guys for watching, and as always, see you next time.